Welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vegan golden milk iced latte with a protein twist. So I'm going to be using the Happy Way vegan vanilla protein today. I'm going to be using 2 tins of coconut milk, full fat, maple syrup, turmeric powder, cinnamon, ground ginger, vanilla extract and black pepper, and I've also got some cardamom. So to start off, I'm going to simply add all the ingredients into the blender, blend it all until smooth, and then pour the milk over ice and serve cold.